This is the second video of interpreting graphs, and here we have five expressions. Each of these expressions can take many values for the different values of x, and that's how we have obtained these graphs. Okay, so x is the value of the variable, and the value of the expression is plotted along y-axis. We need an axis to plot it, no? So the values of the expressions are uh, plotted along y-axis. So for each of these five graphs, you have to tell me for which value of x is the graph taking the value 0. Okay, I'm repeating my question again. For which value of x is the graph taking the value 0? Okay, I can discuss the very first question with you, very first graph with you. Here you can see the graph is taking the value 5 for x equals to 0. Okay, and the graph here, it's taking the value uh, 7.5 for x equals 5, and for x equals 10, it's taking the value 10. Okay, so here it is 10, here it was 7.5, here it is 5, and obviously the value of y is decreasing in this direction. You have to tell me for which value of x is the graph taking the value 0. Okay, similarly for this graph, you have to tell me for which value of x is this graph taking the value 0. Okay, means for which value of x y is 0. Here is your third graph. You can easily read it from the figure. Then here you have fourth graph. So just to have a clear picture, let's erase them. So now here you can see where it's taking the value 0, and the last graph is here. Okay, so you can see where it is taking the value 0. So I have just enlarged it so that you can clearly see the points where it's taking the value 0.